Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you about the part of the edit page in Google Vids where you can work with scenes. So when you're on the edit page of your Google Vids project, there's a lot of stuff going on at the bottom where your scenes appear. First of all the different scenes of your video project will appear on the bottom. Right now I have it set to fit. That's going to show all of the different scenes in that space. I can change that if I click on fit. Let's say I change it to 50%. Now the scenes are a little bit bigger. The reason you might want to do this is for more precise editing. All right, so notice this little blue triangle here. There's also a line that corresponds to it. This is called the playhead. The playhead allows you to control exactly where you're editing your video. Notice, however, that if I move my mouse, a little bubble pops up and it tells me precisely where the timing is of my mouse. So if I want to move my playhead to that specific time, I can just hover there, click, and all of a sudden my playhead will move. The blue line down here, that's the track for the sound. This is the soundtrack. But you can track other objects as well. If you select an object on the video scene, you can set up a track for that and then have it appear at different times, disappear at different times, add some different effects to that. Right here, we can toggle the different ways we can show the timing. If you click on this, you can show all the timing. So any object that has a timing track at all, you can see, or you can show the timing track for only the object you have selected. And then if we click off that, if we hover over this, we can show the timing. Notice there's a bunch of different objects here that have different timing. I can toggle that off and it goes away. So there's a lot of different ways you can play with your video editing by using the scenes at the bottom and the different tools available there. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.